It's James with Creative Audio. Today we're going to be talking about the new Stowaway enclosures from JL Audio. Always being innovators, JL Audio has introduced their new Stowaway series of enclosures. One thing that you'll notice on these is these are going to be available in a 12-inch and a 10-inch option in both a 2 ohm and a 4 ohm. So there's going to be 4 in the family that are going to offer you an option that'll fit whatever application you're going to be using this in. So one big takeaway from this that you're going to notice is this is going to be a rotomold enclosure. So this is going to be marine grade. You're going to be able to wipe this down, and it's also going to be universal. So one thing with this is that you're going to have the 10-inch and the 12-inch, but you can put this in a golf cart, you can put this in your boat, or in a vehicle if you don't have the stealth box option that JL Audio makes vehicle specific. This is going to give you that versatility to be able to add that subwoofer in a location where you wouldn't have an option previously. These are going to be based around the 10 TW1 or the 12 TW1. So you're looking at a 300 watt RMS power handling. As always, whenever JL Audio comes out with a product like this, we always build out the bundles, so we're gonna have different options that we've got put together, curated on the site to make sure that you don't have to worry about what's gonna work, where you're gonna mount it. And we've got the different amps and the different wiring kits that are gonna go in the different applications you're gonna be using it in. So we've got, the MX series if you're using this in a full-blown marine application, such as a UTV. If you're putting this back in the bed of your General or any of the other UTVs. And then we also have the XDM series for your cars or even your boats at that point, because these amplifiers are going to be marine grade as well. So this is going to give you that option, that versatility that you're looking for without having to go build an enclosure. You can get something off the shelf. You can notice that it's got the 4 different mounting points on it. JL gives you that option to be able to mount this however you would like. It doesn't include mounting tabs or brackets because you're going to select your own hardware that's going to be different for different applications. Obviously, if you're putting this underneath the seat of your pickup, you're going to use different mounting hardware than you would in a boat. So this has got the option as well. You'll notice that it's got the tabs here, so you can actually flip which direction you're going to have your wiring come out depending on your application. This is serviceable, so you'll be able to remove the subwoofer should you need to. And with all JL Audio products, it comes with a 2-year warranty on the woofer since it is in their enclosure. So it comes spec'd out to give you the best performance with the versatility that you've come to expect from JL Audio. And that's been the Stowaway series of enclosures from JL Audio. As always, stay tuned as we bring you innovative products to fit your lifestyle.